So our problem is asking us which number is in between the other two. Well, what does that mean? Well, that means you have three numbers here, and we want to know out of these three numbers, which one is in the middle. So the best thing to do is to write out your number line. You're going to get really good practice with this. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now let's use a different color. Now let's find numbers 7, 8, and 9 in our number line. So as we go down our number line, remember they're getting bigger, we see 7, 8, 9 right here. How perfect. It matches our problem exactly. So by looking at this number line, what do you notice? You should notice that the number 8 is actually in the middle of 7 and 9. So the correct answer here is 8. 8 is in between 7 and 9.